welcome back to 2024 Skills Challenge. My name is Charles Nwahiwe. You know how we do this? We are pushing ourselves, we are challenging ourselves. We want to be able to get better, we want to be able to learn new skills, we want to be able to earn more money in 2024. That's how it goes down. On the last edition, we started with responsive web design, the lesson on building a cart photo app. Were you able to run through all the steps? 69 in total. We can take it a step further, but before I go to the next step now, I'd like to say that if you're having challenges, you can also drop a comment in the comment section and we'll be able to look at it together. Why not? Because personally I have been able to complete mine. You can see that it has all turned blue, showing that I have completed mine. If you need further tutorial, the Free Code Camp YouTube channel also have an extensive course on HTML done by Dave Gray, and then you can be able to have better insight. Okay, so you know how Free Code Camp works. It's quite interactive, gives you the instruction, and if you follow it, why not, you'll be able to get it. The first course we have taken here is building a cart photo app. I've completed mine. Have you completed yours? If yes, you can share with us. If no, where do you have challenges? Let us know. We'll be able to do it together. And if you need more tutorials, why not? This tutorial on Free Code Camp YouTube channel will also guide you to give you a full tutorial on HTML. This is powered by Dave Gray. It's quite interesting. It's quite lovely. When you are done with building a cart photo app, the next course will be building a cafe menu. I have also gone through this and I have completed all the 91 steps. You can see that it has all turned blue, showing that I have done it. But it's quite easy. If you click on the first step, this is the end product. This is what you're supposed to get at the end of the day. This will be your end product. If you click start coding, it will take you through the basics of the first course. I love using Free Code Camp website to practice web design. For example, this is the first step in the CSS lesson, learning the basics of CSS by building a cafe menu. Now, what is going to be in this menu? They have already told us what will be in this menu. Okay, so you know how we do this. It's very simple. Yes, we follow what Free Code Camp has given us. For example, in this first step, they are saying that we should put the basics here to enable us start building this cafe menu. And the first thing that we need to do is, just like in every web page, these are the basic structures. So we simply type it the way they are giving it to us. You put it there with the exclamation mark and then the doc type, the way they have given it to us. That's the beauty of Free Code Camp. This responsive web design is very beautiful. I love using it to learn, and I'm sure you're finding it easy as well. So when we have put this, and then they are also asking us to put the HTML tag, every element must have an opening and closing tag. So you open it, they are asking that we indicate that the language is English. So you put language and then put your equal sign and then use your inverted commas and you put en, indicating that is it English. So having done that, put the closing tag for the HTML. Okay, what do you have? If you are having challenges with this, you can review the first course in this series, which was building the cart photo app. Now you want to learn how to use CSS to build the cafe menu. So let's click and check the code. Oh yeah, they're saying congratulations, your code passes. It's actually very simple. They've already given it to us here. I mean, it's an open book test. It's actually there. So that's the beauty of learning with Free Code Camp. If you just follow what they have given to you, follow the instructions, follow the guidelines, you'll be able to get it right. Yes, and so on and on and on and on you go until you get to the last step. I have actually done that. I've reached the last step, and the last step will be this. And at the end of it all, this is what it will look like. Now let me look at mine. I have gotten to the last step. Let me look at what my last step looks like. That's the step 91. Look at it here. Look at it here. Very, very easy, very simple. Follow the instructions, you'll be able to get it right. As you are building this, as you are progressing on it, as you're following the steps, as you're going from step 1 all the way to step 91, if you need more tutorials on the Free Code Camp YouTube channel, there's also something for CSS. It's also by Dave Gray as well, and it's a very extensive tutorial. I love it. I love Free Code Camp. God bless them. It's actually a charity and they depend on contributions. If you like to make a donation, why not? But if you don't have, please don't give what you don't have. In addition to the Free Code Camp YouTube channel, there are other resources, so many of them. As we progress in this exercise, in this skills challenge, I'll be able to drop them. One of them I want to quickly just mention is the Mozilla website, where the MDN web docs, where you can learn about web development. The way it is structured, you can get a little more insight that can help you to augment what you have on Free Code Camp here. So you can come here, you can look at them. There are so many things that you can talk about. So if you're having challenges with creating hyperlinks, you can come here and look at it. If you're having challenges with the text formatting, with the structures and so on and so forth, you can come here. If you want to be able to put in multimedia videos, pictures, yeah, because you recall we included the picture in the cat photo app when we did that. Of course, it's also here. How do you do responsive images? You can find all of that here. Point I'm trying to make is that even CSS is also here. So in this course where we're talking about how to use CSS to build the cafe menu app, why not? You can also look at the details here that you can use to be able to augment what you have. Remember that this is not a race, even though we want to do this in 100 days, but remember that you can move at your pace. We want to be able to look at web development and JavaScript in 100 days, but remember you are moving at your step. And anytime you drop a comment, a question, the community will look at it and discuss it, and then we'll be able to run with it. That's what we want to be able to accomplish. All right, so I'd like to get your feedback on this. Please give it a trial. Let's learn together and let's find out what you will get at the end of the day. Remember that you can drop your comments, you can drop your questions in the comment section, and we'll be able to discuss it together. We are all learning together. We all want to grow together. We all want to improve together, and together we'll be able to hit the sky. In fact, the sky is just the starting point. It's not even the limit. Okay, so I wish you well in this journey. I hope to hear from you. My name is Charles Nwahiwe. I'm your business coach. I'm signing out. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.